This is Dr. SPS Virk. I am the Scientific Director of Virk Fertility Services, one of the leading IVF clinic of the country, and we have completed 25 years of dedicated IVF and ICSI practice and given successful pregnancies for the last 25 years. I congratulate Shivani Scientific for working very hard and providing us one of the finest equipments required in an IVF lab and an IVF theatre. We are very proud that we are having an annual maintenance contract also from Shivani Scientific, in which one of the engineer comes and calibrates all the equipments lying in IVF lab. We have bought 2 to 3 IVF and ICSI workstations. We have bought a lot of incubators, LSN incubators. Our clinic is equipped with more than 10 CO2 incubators and 2 ICSI machines. We have even bought lab guard and other disposables and other equipments, needles, embryo transfer catheters being marketed by Shivani. We are very happy with them, and wherever they are lacking has been explained by IVF embryologist Mr. Suryakant. We are very happy in being associated with Shivani Scientific, and I congratulate Mr. Ashish Modi, the director of this organization, and his teammates and the people who are at the helm of the affair, Mr. Rajnikant, Mr. Vikrant, and other senior people. They worked very nicely. We are very satisfied with them. Thank you.